The Kalstein digital microscope with an LCD touchscreen is revolutionizing microscopic research thanks to its advanced technology and intuitive design for laboratories. Connectivity includes USB 3.0 x 2, USB 2.0, HDMI, and Gigabit LAN port for seamless data transfer and laboratory integration. The digital microscope features double-layer mechanical stage 1, 42 by 132 millimeters, Abbe condenser NA 1.25, and coaxial coarse fine focusing. High contrast, chromatic-free achromatic objectives, 4 times, 10 times, 40 times, and 100 times oil immersion with quadruple backward nosepiece with click stops. Wide field, WF, 10 times / 20 millimeter eyepiece with high eye point and diopter adjustment. 30 degrees inclined trinocular head. 10.5-inch LCD touchscreen with Android 11 operating system. 8-megapixel 4K sensor, dual-band Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 5.0. Explore the complete Kalstein Laboratory Microscopes catalog. Precision, clarity, and innovation for every laboratory need. Visit kalstein.net and bring science to life.